lot of stuff about my job. There's always room for improvement. Get to work with great people. You learn new stuff every day, and it really keeps you busy.
I like that it's not constantly standing up. I like that there is some sit-down time when you're sitting there inspecting parts. You know, you could sit in a chair while you're inspecting them and packing them into the boxes, and that gives you a little bit of time off your feet. And then there's other times where you're up on your feet, so you're not just sitting down all day. It's a little bit of both worlds. It makes it to where you're not getting your back hurt from sitting in a chair all day, but you're also not complaining about your feet hurt from walking around all day.
Those that would be a good fit are people that have good attendance, good attention to detail, positive attitude, a willingness to learn, and a focus on customer satisfaction.
A lot of times people will have your back, so like if you go to the break and your line goes down, like one of the team members close by will come over and fix your line or load your line for you or move your parts out of the way. Sometimes people will even inspect your parts for you while you're going on break.
We're like a crazy family here at THK. We work together as a team to try to build everybody up, and we make it the funnest place possible, the safest way possible.
I'd say our culture is based on 5 principles or values that we call the TMA way. Those are positive attitude, innovation, customer focus, respect, and integrity.
We make car parts for Ford, Honda, Toyota, Nissan, GMC, and club carts, which is side-by-sides.
So in Link Ball, I run machines, and the different days, different machines, but I run a machine that assembles a part together, and my job is to make sure that all the part components are going into the machine and the machine stays running, and then I am to inspect the parts when they come out of the machine and then pack them and send them off to the customer.
If you have the skills and experience in automation, robotics, injection molding, die casting, and a good eye for catching defects, this position may be a good fit.
A company like THK, we're very stable. Our product line is very diverse. So when you have automotive component parts and you have linear motion component parts, it makes things a little easier, and we can stay essential even if we have a downturn in the economy.
Well, the machine operator position is important because these are the members that are putting their hands and skill to work to make the high quality parts that our customers expect.